Paano mo nga ba malalaman kung pang-negosyo ka nga ba o pang-empleyado? Unang-una, sabihin ko na, there is no better than the other. No? Some people are called to be a business owner. Ang tawag ko dyan ay entrepreneurs. And some people are called to be employed. Ang tawag ko dyan is intrapreneurs. And both are important. Di naman pwedeng lahat ay negosyante at hindi rin naman lahat ay dapat empleyado. Pero paano mo nga ba malalaman? Kasi here's the thing. Social media has made it glamorous, no? Na alam mo, dapat maging negosyante ka, yada-yada. And ang problema dyan is if business is truly glamorous as social media claimed to be, how come 90% of people who try to be in business actually failed? And allow me to share this with you because I'm an entrepreneur myself. I own businesses myself. And ito yung isang tanong na dapat mong itanong sa iyong sarili at kailangan mong sagutin para malaman mo kung pang-negosyo ka ba o pang-empleyado. Kasi ito, lagi kong sinasabi ha, hindi requirement na ikaw ay maging negosyante para maging mayaman. Ang requirement ay dapat ikaw ay maging magaling. If you are the best in your craft, you are the best in your field, even if you don't own a business, then you will still be rich. There are a lot of rich people that are employed. There are a lot of rich people that are what we call as talents because they're talented. Diba? Pero hindi naman sila yung may-ari ng organization. Kaya, hindi yung pagiging may-ari ng organization ang sagot para ikaw ay umasenso at yumaman. Ang sagot talaga ay dapat ikaw ay magaling. You gotta be the best in your field. Now, ano yung dapat mong itanong sa iyong sarili para malaman kung ikaw ba ay pang-negosyo o pang-employment? Isa lang. Are you willing to, I want you to ask yourself this. Are you willing to not earn a paycheck, especially during the down moments of your business, especially during the moments of low sales, especially during the moments of low profit, para bayaran mo na lahat ng empleyado mo? Are you willing to pay all your employees first with your promised payroll before you can actually earn yourself first? Willing ka ba doon? Willing ka ba na bayaran mo na lahat ng empleyado mo at hindi kumita on certain months or sa isang buwan para lamang ma-fulfill ang obligation mong bayad sa mga empleyado mo? Kasi kung hindi ka willing na lumipas ang isang buwan at hindi ka kikita, isasakripisyo mo ang paycheck mo para lamang maging mabayaran lahat ng obligations mo sa iyong mga empleyado, huwag ka magnegosyo. Maging empleyado ka na lang para fixed at guaranteed ang income on a month-per-month basis. Yes, sometimes mas maliit. Pero kung gusto mo ng mas malaking upside potential at gusto mong based on profits ang kita mo, based on margin na posibleng mas lumaki kapag malaki ang revenue at kapag maliit ang OPEX, dapat willing ka rin na sa mga panahon na ang negosyo ay tight, willing kang isakripisyo ang sarili mong paycheck para lang bayaran muna ang mga empleyado mo. Yan ang tanong na makakapagpasabi sa'yo kung ikaw ba ay pang-entrepreneurship. Because if you answer that to be yes, then welcome to the Entrepreneurs Club. Or, yan din ang makakapagsabi whether ikaw ay for employment. This is Mix Flores, making your dreams happen by inspiring possibilities through strategy.